What do you think patience is?
I don't know.
Well, I think patience is a virtue. Unfortunately, nowadays, most people are quite impatient. For example, many people want to get rich quickly but are not willing to get their hands dirty. So we always complain about life. Do you think patience is important?
I don't know again.
Absolutely, I think it's a quality that everybody should try to learn. In my opinion, learning to wait until the right time is the key to success. In fact, most successful entrepreneurs are very patient. Do you think being patient is an important part of being polite?
Yes.
Yes, I think patience is an indicator of politeness. A polite person would never choke someone out for keeping them waiting. If there is a good excuse for being late, a polite person will be willing to overlook such minor mistakes. Have you ever lost your patience?
I have ever lost my patience when I study or work too much without relaxing.
Well, yeah, without doubt, there has been times when I lost my cool. For example, there was a time when I had to wait in a popular restaurant, then someone suddenly cut in line and that really ticked me off. Were you patient when you were young?
I really don't know.
I don't really know since I don't have many childhood memories. It's pretty common. However, for kids to easily lose patience as they don't know how to keep their emotions in check. There may have been times I was patient and times I was not.